So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to create viral titles and thumbnails. So I'm not going to waste your time. Let's get straight into it. So how exactly are you going to do this? Is ChatGPT going to design the thumbnail? Is ChatGPT going to exactly tell you what title is going to make it go viral? No. I'm starting this video assuming that you already know what makes a good title. And if you don't know, a good YouTube title is based on two things: an absurd claim or searchable content. These two things basically mean, and a subclaim is saying something like, I finished all the food in the world. Bro, how? Well, basically it's something crazy that no one would expect you to do. So you basically make a title around something like that. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. The second thing is you can what's it called? Make searchable content. So this stems from doing previous research and knowing what your audience is actually, what problems your audience is actually facing. Yeah. So that's what I'm trying to say. So you know the problem you're trying to face, you can create content that caters to that problem so that they can see a potential solution. Maybe yours, maybe another person's. But the thing is, you are creating, this is your solution that can potentially help them. So those are the two things you need to look out for when creating a title. Also be very specific. What exactly is are they going to get from watching your video? So right now I'm going to get into ChatGPT, show you how it's done. So if you don't use AI, I think you should use AI. Any AI software, it helps a lot. So now this video is going to be I'm going to be showing you how to use ChatGPT. Basically, ChatGPT is not going to design the thumbnail. If you want the video showing how to make thumbnails, just comment thumbnail, I'll do one. This video is strictly showing how you can use ChatGPT to basically curate your ideas to aid the process of creating titles and thumbnails. So I'll start. So first off, I'm assuming you have a title already. So this is what I'm going to say. So this is the exact prompt you use. You type shit. Okay. Rate this YouTube video title on a scale of 1 to 10. Then you basically put the title. You don't have to use quotation marks. You can just use semicolon. Then I'm going to use mine. Alex or Moses $100 million YouTube strategy for 2024. Yeah, so this is the title of one of my videos. So mine is business. So okay, I forgot about that. Yeah, so now you basically ask ChatGPT to rate this title, whether it's a good title or whether it's a bad title. So it will give you a rating on a scale of 1 to 10. So let's see. So you just click enter after you've typed this in. It's taking a while. Come on, chat. All right. Okay, so it said I rate it around a 6 or 7. It's informative and clearly states what the video is about, which is good. However, it could be more compelling or intriguing to attract more viewers. Adding something like secrets revealed or insider tips might be more interesting. You see, so this is why it's good. So I usually want something that is like around a 9 or a 10. 8, so 6 or 7 is not too good for me. So I would say, okay, now if you are okay with it, you can go. I'll show you the next prompt. But if you're not okay with it, you just ask this instead. All right, okay. Give me 2 titles. Sorry. You feel will be better than the previous one I mentioned. So 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 you just type in, give me two titles you feel be better than the previous one I mentioned. And so what we have here is unveiling Alex Moses' blueprint to $100 million success in 2024. Damn, that is good. This one is actually good. The first one is actually really good. Then crack the code, how Alex Moses plans to reach 100 million in 2024. He already reached it. I think he's already reached it. So I think the first one is better. So I might actually use the first one. So that's actually a really good what's it called, video title. So now we are going to go. So I might actually use it, or I might tweak the one I gave initially and not something like insider tips to Alexa Moses, 100 business, or secret. So you basically what I mean. The goal is to try and get it as your title as close to 10 as possible. So after this, now okay. So I'll say I like. I'll just retype the. Okay, I'm just going to do this because I don't want to type everything again. I like this title. Can you I like this title. So now shift enter to go to the next line. Now using this title, describe, or let's be more specific, write a description for a thumbnail that would fit this title perfectly. Make it easy to understand. Make it easy to understand and make it easy to understand. So I don't think it's so. Now what you do is, since Chat has given you a title, the next step you actually take is to actually ask it to describe a thumbnail. Because most times, I don't know if it happens to you, I have the video idea, but the video title idea, I have that part down, but I don't usually have the thumbnail yet. So I'm like, okay, how should I do this? So I'm looking at other people's thumbnail. Okay, this is not really my style. How do I do mine? So what can help you? Like I said, AI should just be used to like curate ideas. You shouldn't use it. It's There's still a place of creativity. You just have to be creative. Like these titles now, I'm still going to tweak them. But right now I know that this title, the first of the two alternatives it has given me can work. And I want to see if I can also produce a good title, so a good thumbnail, sorry. So I'm going to ask it to describe for me. Describe something for me. So then based on the description, you can use it exactly. You can send it to like a graphic designer. Can you make a thumbnail for me based on this description? Or you can tweak it and still make another thumbnail. The key is it gives you the idea, it gives you the what's it called, the initial draft to work off of. So that's basically how you should use ChatGPT. Don't copy and just paste. Just use it to always sieve the information, because it's not perfect. So we just use it to sieve the information. So now I'll just click enter. Okay, I think it got me wrong. So where we went, so this is the thing about prompts. So you have to be very specific. Now, I said write a description. No, I don't want you to write. Describe. Okay. So don't use write a description. That was the mistake I made. Use describe the thumbnail. Okay. So certainly for the thumbnail, picture Alex Amuzi in the center, looking confident and determined, perhaps with a light smile. That's good. Surround them with various icons representing different aspects of business success, such as a dollar sign, grab training upwards, a briefcase arranged in a circular pattern around him. Okay. Overly text in bold, attention grabbing text saying, reveal like some easy secrets to. Uh, I think that's too much English. I'll be too much words on your thumbnail should not have too much words. That's too much. Use bright eye catchy colors to make the thumbnail pop and grab viewers' attention so they scroll as they scroll through YouTube. So unveiling Alex Amuzi blueprint to blah, blah 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 across the bottom or side of the image. Well, I'll say that's too much English. So I'll say give me a better description. It keeps doing this. Okay. Blah 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 blah. Surrounding blah 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 the promise of the no. So if this prompt doesn't work, what you can just do is go back here and save and submit. Okay. I feel this. I feel this is better. For the thumbnail, you could have a high quality image of Alex Omozi positioned confidently, perhaps with a determined expression, standing in front of a large blueprint of flowchart. Now, this is what I'm saying. Yeah. So the blueprint of flowchart actually works. That actually works. That's something I would click on. The blueprint could have 100 million success in 2024 prominently written on it with various arrows and diagrams illustrating key strategies or milestones. The visual presentation would effectively convey the idea of unveiling his blueprint for success while providing a clear understanding of the video's content. So this can actually work because you have the blueprint, you have Alex Amozi, that you show people different milestones that will actually pique their curiosity. So, like I said, it's all about tweaking. The first one, I wasn't feeling it, so just did it again. And I think this can work. The title and this thumbnail description can work. So that's basically how you use it. Like I said, I won't be showing how to like design a thumbnail in Canva. If you want me to do that, I will do that. Just let me know by commenting thumbnail. But yeah, this is basically how you can use ChatGPT to come up with various thumbnails and video titles. You just have to use it to curate the ideas you already have. Curate, improve, create, improve. Okay, this might work, this might not work. Then you pick the best or what you perceive as the best until you post, you never know. So that's basically it. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe, leave a like, share it to someone. We help entrepreneurs and business coaches grow with content, specifically short form content. If that sounds like you, there's a link in the description. You can book a call or just to let us know what's going on with you. So that's all I'm going to say. Peace.